Miintocouk reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're shopping online for fashion, most people get this wrong by assuming Miintocouk is just another clothing marketplace. The surprising truth is that Miintocouk aggregates products from independent boutiques, which can affect pricing and offer unique items not found elsewhere. Prices vary widely depending on brand, item type, and boutique. Casual tops may start around $20-30, while designer dresses, jackets, or shoes can range from $100-500. Shipping fees typically range from $4-10, but some boutiques offer free delivery over a set amount. Returns and exchanges may also include boutique-specific policies. What you get: access to local boutiques, exclusive fashion items, diverse styles, and online convenience. What you give up: variable pricing, differing shipping times, and the need to review boutique policies individually. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Filter items by price and boutique rating. Step 2. Compare shipping fees and delivery times. Step 3. Read boutique return policies carefully. Step 4. Sign up for newsletters to catch sales and promotions. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore boutique reviews. Item quality and sizing can vary. The surprising truth is that Miintou's pricing reflects boutique exclusivity, not just standard retail cost. In conclusion, Miintocouk offers access to unique fashion pieces with pricing that reflects boutique selection and quality. By understanding fees, policies, and boutique reputation, you can make informed purchases and get real value for your money.